We're on our way to London for the weekend, leaving our car in Amersham for a couple of days and taking the tube line to Euston Square. It takes about 1 hour to get from Amersham to Euston, but it's a great way of avoiding driving into the capital. However, it's a bank holiday weekend and we were expecting the crowds. Covent Garden was extremely busy, with tourists and entertainers performing to the crowds. And there also seemed to be an abundance of queues on every street corner. And let's not mention Camden Town just yet. We'll come to that in a few moments. So we had a plan to escape the crowds, and it involved a short tube journey to Warwick Avenue. Once at our destination, we headed for Little Venice, the beginning of a 2-mile canal-side walk that tiptoes its way through the capital, heading towards Camden Town. So welcome to Little Venice.
We're going to have a lovely walk into Camden, but you can go on a boat trip.
Let's walk it. This is the largest and only barge theatre in the UK. Closed at Easter. So, after the hustle and bustle of central London, we wanted to do this walk, taking a bit of peace and quiet, and the beauty of this particular walk as well. What was filmed here?
Hard Day's Night and Paddington 2.
These are private moorings, hence the reason we're now walking on the pavement. But hopefully we'll be back down in a moment along the canal. And while we're here, we can admire some of the impressive properties. So this small stretch is private moorings only. Hopefully we can rejoin the canal in a moment. We really want to do this walk. It's supposed to be very pretty, very scenic, and quieter than, say, Covent Garden.
We're there. We can't go under the tunnel, so we've got to cross over here before we can rejoin, I guess. Okay. Here.
So straight on that way. So we walked over that tunnel, and if we continue this way, it should take us into Camden Town. Would you believe we are in the centre of London? So many barges parked up here. Home for the few, their own little paradise. very quiet. This is home to all the pigeons. Gosh, don't poop on me, please. Who lives in a house like that? Is that real or artificial grass? Here, this is real lawn. Another large property though. Here comes the boat, if you didn't want to walk. You would suggest...
Just he's going too fast. Look at the wash. Look at the wash. I don't think you could go that fast on canals. Well, I believe we're walking at the back of the zoo. London Zoo in Regent's Park. It's all closed. Oh, here. Oh, monkeys.
Lane's getting excited. You see monkeys. Oh wow. So we're seeing some of London Zoo for free. So we're thinking London Zoo stretches across this canal. There's a walkway. It's crazy to think we're walking along the canal towpath and right next to us is a zoo. Welcome to Camden. It's going to be a little bit busier this side. Going to walk past the Dublin Castle, where madness started back in 1979. Are you impressed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's not go one step beyond.
Very good. Chat. Right. Where's Regent's Park? Must be getting close to now. I think we've arrived. It's a big park. We wanted to make the most of our final day in London, so we got up early and went down Oxford Street. It was Bank Holiday Monday and surprisingly quiet. We went to the Harry Potter shop and then we wandered down the explored alleyways, discovering the famous Dog and Duck pub, one of the oldest and most historic pubs in London. Back in the 1940s, this was George Orwell's favourite drinking den. We also had Chinatown to ourselves. It was very, very quiet. We finally made our way to the Golden Jubilee Bridges to take in some of the stunning views across the Thames. As always, thanks for watching and we'll see you on our next vlog.